was last seen at Big Stony Creek, Whipplemead, Virginia. Abducted is Noah Gabriel Trout, white male, blonde hair, blue eyes, 2 years old, 2 foot 9 inches tall, weighing 33 pounds. Last seen wearing a gray shirt with an orange jacket. The suspect has not been identified but is possibly wearing a blue jacket, blue jeans, black tennis shoes and a black beanie. Possibly in a dark-colored SUV or van. For further information, contact the Giles County Sheriff's Office at 540-921-3842 or visit twitter.com/VSPALERTS.